Duke and I are in the middle of a 9-week European trip. In this video, we leave Madrid, visit Alcalá de Henares during the Palm Sunday celebration, and explore Monasterio de Piedra and its historic gardens.
It's Sunday morning. Brian and Joanne just left for the airport and we're doing our laundry. Now it's all in and we've got, how much time? 45 minutes? 40 minutes? And we're going to find coffee. And then later today, we pick up a new rental car. Yeah, that looks perfect. Duke is ordering the coffee and they're making churros there. See how he has his machine and he just breaks them off and they go in? Okay, we've checked out of the hotel in Madrid and now we're picking up our next rental car. There's quite a long line, which is kind of annoying, but oh well. Today we don't drive very far, it's less than an hour, and we're going to Alcalá de Henares. They have a Parador we haven't been to, the Parador Alcalá de Henares. Okay, after an hour and a bit wait, over an hour wait, it's finally ready. And we'll be down the road. All right, we have the car, we're out of the parking garage. Now we just need to get out of Madrid. What kind of car? It's another Opel?
Another Z car.
And we made it. Well, it's across the street. We're looking for check-in. So we found somebody who's showing us where reception is. Very nice. Nice room. We're up for a walk and it sounds like a concert is going on down here. We're going to have to go check it out. Or maybe a parade.
Cambia el tiempo, o sea, el giro la liamos.
This is Cervantes Square. Cervantes, the famous author, is born in Alcalá. Monday morning, and before we leave Alcalá, the Parador of Alcalá, where we are right now, and drive to Nuevalos, we're going to go out for a walk and see how much quieter Alcalá is without all the crowds from Palm Sunday. This is one of the places we saw the float stopping and going in and greeting the residents. It's another convent or monastery. I think it's a convent. So there are definitely fewer people, but there's still a lot of people out. Very pretty town.
It's a lot better wrapped.
I didn't see them when Duke first pointed them out, but there are storks up on a lot of the buildings here. We're on the road heading north from Alcalá and got off the freeway because we like back roads. It's actually starting to rain, so I need to get back in the car. But these ground is very rocky, but they appear to be growing maybe wheat. I don't know. The Monasterio de Piedra, looking for a reception. Wow. Duke way up there. Quite an amazing place. Careful. Okay, we're in room 105. Bathroom's right there. Look how big the balcony is. Very nice. Quite a lovely spot. And we bought tickets to the park, which is for adjacent. And we also have booked a tour in Spanish of the monastery tomorrow morning. We're doing the nature walk, right? Or the hike?
Hike through the monastery grounds.
I think I read on a sign in there that this was only turned into a hotel, sorry, 2007 maybe? 2013, not long ago anyway. Oh, nice lookout, huh? Beautiful. Goes through, doesn't it? Or is it just, oh, it's nothing, okay. You want to go first?
Sure, I'll go first.
Yep. So that's our path up there, you think?
I would guess so.
Now you can stand up? They had a trout hatchery here back in the 1800s. To the Parador of El Salor, but right now we're on our way to breakfast, and then at 10:30 we have a tour, and then we'll hit the road. This is a really kind of cool place. I'm looking forward to the tour. I checked, and this grand staircase was built in 1560. So you remembered the salsa today, or what is it?
Yep.
You bought it several days ago, but you keep forgetting to take it to breakfast, huh?
Well, twice now.
Ah.
Tan solo con adobe y madera, mientras lo que buscaban era la ubicación correcta para dar comienzo con la sobresalida. Con estuco creaban una masa que iban moldeando para el negro. La familia Fernández de Heredia pertenecía al pueblo de...
See, they're using alabaster for the windows. So we're an hour down the road. Thought we'd stop and stretch. I believe this is it's a nature preserve. I think it's a bird area. See all the marshy land way off there in the distance. Laguna de Gallocanta. Gallocanta. So we're here.
Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll head north along the Mediterranean coast to France.